CM Punk in trouble. John Cena, STF again. With him as McMahon, he's coming for the bell. And CM Punk, GTS connecting. Oh my God. In 1 hour and 14 minutes, CM Punk is no longer an employee of WWE. CM Punk is going to leave Chicago with the WWE Championship.
As promised, CM Punk left WWE that night in a blaze of glory, with the championship around his waist and a heartbroken John Cena in the ring. But with the title ripped from its home, what would WWE do? That question was answered the next night on Raw, when an 8-man tournament was set up to crown a new WWE champion.
It is indeed a momentous night. On Monday Night Raw, we will crown a new WWE champion. And it's Miz versus Rey Mysterio. Mysterio, hit it! No! Not this way! Woohoo! We have a new WWE champion!
But just when you thought things were falling into place, WWE's COO had an announcement.
Tonight, for the first time ever, we are going to have a second WWE Championship match right here on Raw. It will be the brand new WWE Champion Rey Mysterio defending against John Cena.
This is our main event, a one-fall matchup for the WWE title. A match where John Cena must pin or make Rey Mysterio submit to win the championship.
You know, I thought we had our main event for the evening when we opened the show. Rey Mysterio versus The Miz for the WWE title. And now this tops the night off.
We're getting two main events here tonight, King.
Unlike Rey Mysterio, John Cena has the benefit of being in his first match of the evening.
Indeed, it's a fresh John Cena against new WWE Champion Rey Mysterio, who had quite a battle against The Miz earlier tonight.
Yeah, but you know, in order to win the title, Cena will have to pin Rey Mysterio or make him submit, which will be no easy task, regardless of how fresh Cena is.
Given John Cena's size advantage, this might be one of those rare instances where the champion is actually the underdog.
Well, that's true, but Mysterio has never shown fear for guys bigger than him. Remember when he won the Royal Rumble? That night, the ring was filled with monsters like Big Show and Viscera.
And Mysterio has had the reputation of being a bit of a giant killer, even dating back to his WCW days.
No, you're right. Kevin Nash, Kane, Big Show, Rey Mysterio has beaten them all, regardless of their size.
This match isn't about politics or contract status. This is about the WWE title, the most prestigious prize in all of sports entertainment.
And both of these superstars have such a great respect for the WWE Championship and for the action in between the ropes and the WWE Universe.
King, I got a question for you. Do you think it's a stretch to say we're watching two future Hall of Famers compete here tonight?
Not at all. Without a doubt, John Cena is the most controversial athlete in the history of the WWE. Whether you love this guy or you despise him, you have to respect him.
It's hard to deny it, King. Each and every night John Cena steps into the ring, he does his very best to earn the respect of the WWE Universe.
And he seems to be in firm control at this point, which is obviously drawing mixed reactions from this capacity crowd here in Hampton, Virginia.
John Cena with the offense.
Nice move.
A quick kick by Mysterio.
He almost took his head off with that lariat.
Incredible move by John Cena.
Uh-oh, look at this. Oh! Trying to put him away.
What a move. Here's a cover. 2, 3.
Cena wins. John Cena wins. What a victory.
John Cena, we have a winner and a new champion, John Cena.